that little bit of Dumont, just kind of put that little slap, and just put that rake in there. Boom, put it back in, and always right back, the thumb in the eyes.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
When you get in here, when you go to thumb those eyes, that bridge of the nose is our reference point. Tips of the thumbs right to where the eyebrow and the bridge of the nose come together. You can either wipe those eyes, pull them straight to the center. I prefer to stabilize using one hand to hold the head and then shoot straight in and pull it right back out. Or gouging just kind of turns up, same reference point, bridge of the nose, turn the thumb up, go straight in, back, scoop, and pull out the eye. You got the top of the head. Remember to use the hands. Don't you've got to lift that head like you got the head on the platter, taking just that little strip, like there's a strip of sandpaper, and slamming it right down the front of that person's head. The very tip of that knee. Try not to get into the habit of kneeing upwards. You want to take that knee and spear it straight down the person's center line. Try not to aim. Don't go side to side. Say my kind of leg gets outside of that body. Just take that knee and drive it straight in. Boom, straight in with that knee. Release, rip that elbow right across the face. Use that little bit of Dumont, just kind of put that little slap, and just put that rake in there. Boom, put it back in, and always right back, the thumb in the eyes. Okay, so just that tip of the elbow, make sure our hips are turning so that we're getting the right amount of body mechanics into it. And just really, most important thing is that when you drive that knee in and the head comes down, that's sometimes a great place to put the elbow in, which puts the head back out, so we bring it back down for the headbutt. Body recoils, in drives in out, the knee, thumbs come back to the eyes, back into the elbow. So it's kind of a synergy tool. You got to kind of get a feel for the flow of which tool goes in at which moment in time.